Welcome back to morethanguitar.com. Today we're going to talk about left hand positioning. Proper left hand technique. You want to assign each finger to a fret, keep them low to the fret, keep them arched over the neck of the guitar. Opposing your thumb. You want to have your thumb straight up and down on the back of the neck, usually about across from your middle finger, although some people advocate right in the middle of the fingers. This gives you firm support for all four fingers. You want to make sure that your fingers arch over the neck so they point straight down at the string, so you're using your fingertip to press the string to the fret. And again, you want your thumb opposing it so that you're really pushing your finger towards your thumb rather than gripping the neck or mashing on the strings. You don't want to mash, you just want to push it gently down until it touches the fret and doesn't ring up above the fret. Again, arching your fingers so that they don't touch the other strings, but just the ones that you're fretting. Here's an exercise to help you develop good left-hand position. Press your index finger on the 6th string, 9th fret. That's the 4th dot. Your middle finger goes on the 10th fret, your ring finger goes on the 11th fret, and your pinky goes on the 12th fret. Start with your index finger, keeping the other three close to the string over their frets. Then the middle finger, then the ring finger, then the pinky. Then switch to the next string. Then the next string. Notice I'm not picking my fingers up any higher than I have to. Keeping them curled and arched. Then do it backwards. This is like a weight training exercise, and your form is far more important than your speed. Do it slowly, keeping your fingers all in position, keeping them close to the fretboard. As you progress, move your fingers down the fretboard where the frets are wider. That's why we start up high, because the frets are closer together and it's easier. By the time you're down to the 5th fret with your index finger, then the spread of your fingers has become a little bit more challenging. By the time you're all the way down to the 1st fret, you have to spread your fingers out, but you're doing it gradually in steps by sliding down the fretboard. This has been morethanguitar.com, left hand positioning. Thank you very much.